All right, what's going on, guys? Your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Today has been a little crazy. It's Monday. I told you guys it was going to be crazy probably because of the FOMC decision coming out. So I actually stopped out twice today. Not a big deal. I actually put in I put in 1,000 and I only lost $80. So risk management is why it's key, right? I actually just read something that someone posted that I love. Says, remember, volatility is said to be high, but your exposure doesn't have to be. That's couldn't have been said better. So volatility is high, your exposure to your risk doesn't have to be. You shouldn't be afraid to take a position. You should be comfortable entering your position, set stop losses, respect levels, and respect rules. So that's what we're going to break down today. When I entered, what did I enter? I entered Tesla calls, right? So right here on Tesla, we broke below this level. All right. And then I saw this happen. I was like, well, we are extremely bullish. I'm not going to short something that is that bullish. So I'm looking for bounces. Then we reclaimed this level. So I was like, all right, we can take it long. So this wick was my entry. And then this candle close was my stop loss. So that was from 420 421. So a dollar risk, right? I only lost $60 there. And then Hood actually ended up working almost all the way to TP, but that's not what we're going for, right? Oh wow, that could be a sweep too. But Hood, we wanted puts. All right, so we had the strong close, and then this was my entry on puts. So I was like, all right, cool, that looks good. And then this candle close stopped out, right? So I don't play, oh, it could still go down. It did, right? Don't get me wrong. Did I get a little bit of FOMO? Yeah, it went all the way pretty much to TP. But I would rather respect my rules than just stay in a trade because of hopium, hoping that it just goes to where I want it to go. And then it goes there. Like, that's not what I planned for. So if what I planned for doesn't work, you stop out. So our risk management is huge. And I'll tell you guys right now that And I'll tell you guys right now that if you are the type to do that, you're gonna get your account. I mean, you're gonna go back to square one a lot. Uh, you know, like it's not worth the risk, right? So even if it does end up going, let's say you enter puts here on the video because you're like, oh, it's gonna reject. And you get all this, oh, now we have red candles, now it's gonna reject. Like, just wait for your confirmation and then enter. So now you just saved yourself $2 of drawdown, which is, and then you have theta, and then you don't even know if it's gonna go. So you have to really patience for entries is what makes it key. And then not only being patient for that entry, let it get as close to your stop loss as possible. Like my entry is my stop loss. All right, guys, your boy Mike Lowy. Hopefully, you learned something. Again, today's key lesson: risk management. Know when to go light. When the market's hard, go easy. When the market's easy, go hard. Let's go, baby. Lock in.